Hello everyone, and welcome to my next Let's Play. Or, my first, I guess. So, you might know my channel for model railroading, but, to fill the gaps in between the updates and waiting for new items to come in, I decided to give this game a go. Funny enough, this guy actually has a model railroad in his house, but it kind of reflects the real world a lot. Now, there's one pet peeve of this game I don't like. They're missing the tenders on the steam engines. So yeah, there's a lot of famous locomotives in this game too that I will point out as we unlock them and place them. I will tell you what they're based off of in real life and what railroads had them. So what we're gonna do today, just for fun, we're gonna start a single player game. Now we're gonna turn off the randomized landscape and we're gonna go Northeast USA because that is around where I live. Now it doesn't look exactly like that. Now, let me see if there's anything big. Bit more interesting, not Britain, France, Germany, island hopping, Mesa Madness. You know what, I might go with this. Let's do a good old-fashioned Western. Okay, be the last railroad standing. Oh, something went wrong. Okay, there we go. So, investors easy, okay, let's, random, nah, can I? No, okay, so, launch scenario. So what we're gonna do is try to, make, okay, so this is our first town, Gilmore. It's a quaint little river town here by the look of it. And let's see what's around here, something, okay, we're gonna make our modelers, or mowers, I don't know. So our first branch is gonna extend over to this other town here. Something very simple. And let us make a depot right here. Okay, so now to start this, we're gonna do here, you know what? Close out of this. I'm gonna check what this thing needs. Demands. It has a really big need for passenger services. And our other demands over here. Mail and passenger services. Okay, so what we're gonna do is start up a new engine. Okay, so we're gonna add 3 of these and 3 of these. 2 of these cars, too. And it's going to head over there. Wait until full. Always check that off. Priority normal. Okay. So here we go, our first locomotive. Now, this is one of the first locomotives ever built in America. It is a 440, which these locomotives are mostly known for. The gold tie ceremony, where two of these went up to each other and they finished a railroad that spanned across the United States. So as we can see, we have a small little... We have a small train here of some passenger cars and some mail cars. That'll run from here over a dry riverbank by the look of it, and up into the country where it'll meet up with this town. So, yeah. Let us start expanding already. Let's see. The quarry, okay. Let us make a little thing right up to the quarry. Okay, let's see this. Okay, where's this? Okay, so let us try. I have a plan for this. We'll run a route right through here, past the quarry. I'll wait for my money to go up, though, for the first run. So where's our engine? Okay, so it's gonna run eventually, but I have a plan of... Yeah, there's basically a line already there, straight to it, so... We're gonna head over here. Their demand is, yeah, it looks like, they process gold, apparently. So that's useful. Ooh! Yeah, so that's perfect. I'll have a little coal mine over there. Let's see. Southern vineyards. Those give grapes. Yeah, so this should be good since we have a bit of a... Oh, wait, that's taking money. Oh, well, we might be down in debt for a while, but as soon as this train makes its first run, it'll make a bit more money than what we are using at the moment. As you can see, though, there's some cities nearby. I'll connect that next. Is our train going? No? But let me zoom in on it as far as I can. Now, for 2006, this is a very, very good simulator. I mean, it's not as good as some other ones. Here we go. So I'm just gonna follow our engine up the line and see how much we can make off of it. If it does well, then I'll have to get a new engine. Now the only problem is, these engines are not good on inclines that well. But it is... This area doesn't really have a lot of big inclines. Like, I tried a scenario where like, the track went straight up the side of a mountain. Like, I can show you what I mean. It went like, boom. Like that. Okay, so we're negative 12,000. And we've made profit? Ooh. That was a very good oh. Well, with that money, we will extend our railroad. We will wait to What did I just do? Well, that's a bit of a weird thing, but, we'll wait for this train to go through here. You know, we're gonna just... Let's see, game speed. I'll speed this up a bit. Okay, come on, let's get going. Oh wow, this train's not running for months, apparently. So come on, let's start running. It's waiting for it to be full, but oh well. So it just has to go through and make another run through. This time we're not in the negative, so let's see how much we make from this route in total. If it's worth it, I'll extend the route over here and then down to Spalding. Already aliens, huh? Okay, so I'm going to make a pattern. That should be good enough. But, as far as I know, the steam turbine for the Pennsylvania Railroad did not go well. Hopefully it does not reflect this in the game. Okay, so let me go over here, and we'll extend the track. There we go. That's about as much as we're gonna get. Oh, and there's our money again. That's good. So I'm just gonna extend this outward here. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our trains menu. And we are gonna modify the route. So as you can see, it goes to Gilmore to that. So it'll go, let's see. Then back to this. Wait until full close. Back to this. Let's wait until I don't need to wait here. So I'm gonna confirm that. And now our locomotive will head down here and pick up some grapes, apparently. So you know, that will be processed here into better food. And then it'll be moved up here, where it'll meet the demands of food. Okay, so now we are really in debt. $19,000, $22,000. But luckily enough, our train, looks like it picked up some more cars, but we'll go through here. And we will get that all back. Okay, and then I'll head over here, hopefully make more. Okay, good, and then loop the cycle back. Yeah, so now that's a lot faster. Let me check the route, though. Wait. Okay. So, I am going to, let's see, when it gets back to this, clear it. Then we'll add some passenger, a mail, and that. Wait till full. Then when it gets here, we'll add that. Good. And then, okay, so then, yeah, that'll work. Wait, what is it doing? Just gonna cancel that. Never mind. The route's a bit wonky. Okay, there we go. So we clear out here. me add that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we take that, and then it goes back to, up here. Yeah, that'll work. Ooh, Ooh, and we are making a lot of money. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is make our way up here. Let's see, their demand is for mining stuff. And we're gonna wait for this to go through. As you can see, it's 1965. We started in 1865. We started in, like, what? 1850s? So, yeah. Oh, and here's the 10-wheeler, the next engine. As you can see, the models are pretty okay on this. Rivet counters will hate these, but, yeah. That's nice, so we can get a new engine. So, we're gonna start a new line eventually, running coal. Let's see how much money it made. Finance report, passengers, that's pretty good. That mail, looks like food isn't that good. Making nothing off of that. So what's that? What that is? Nah, I don't have the money. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this route. What I'm gonna do is clear out everything. Passengers, mail, are making the most amount of money right now. Okay, so close out. Hit OK. And there we go. We'll start making some money. So this thing is 17 years old now. Okay, so it looks like it can't really make any sort of money from that. Does this need any demands of processing? Okay, so what's that? What that is telling me is I should get over here eventually too. And we are broke. Okay, so I'm gonna let this play on for a while. See if we can't make any money. Sorry if this is a bit boring to you guys, but you know. Okay, there we go. Now it's got its cars. And it's full up. And it's gonna run them all the way up there, where it's gonna unload. And then pick up some more mail cars, taking them back down. So yeah, we're a bit in the red zone right now. $42,000. Oh no. Oh no. Well, that's not good. So, let's hope that doesn't happen to us. So, our passenger service is going well. Gonna head back down. There's our money. Okay, so yeah. Let me edit the route a bit, though. Oop, wrong button. So, yeah, let me delete this. It's not really needed. There we go. You know what? Okay, there we go. So that's all we really need for a route. That this vineyard's not really making as much money as we hoped. Or at the moment, at least. So what I'm gonna do is run right up here. There we go. So now, we just have to wait. Now I'll make a whole nother engine for this, for mining. Let me study these engines, though. Let's see, preferred cargo passenger? I might have to switch this out for this one. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to switch that out. Okay, so, let's go here. There we go. So this brought us down a lot. But it is a much more, you know, it is much more adapted to passenger service. So this will run a lot faster going here and there. But, yeah, hopefully it'll make us more money. Right now we are a bit low, though, so here we go. Let's see how it does. If it runs well, it looks like it makes some good time. Has a lot of maintenance costs, though. That's gonna be a big problem. Okay, so we're still in the red zone, but, hopefully it'll go back up. So, I'm going to, train report. Revenue, lifetime. Profit, it seems pretty good. I can upgrade it. No, I cannot. Okay, so let me view this engine. I'm gonna change its colors, actually. I don't like this look. So, let's go with a more realistic, there we go. Maybe a, you know what? I'm gonna base this off of a, G-scale engine I have. There we go. That's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna apply that color scheme. Too bad it kind of has this, like, glitch where it doesn't exactly like to render the textures well. I think this is mostly saying, like, it is hitting something else, but, would you look at that? It's September 1879 already. In, like, one more year. Oh, in 1 month. Yeah, there we go. Here's our new locomotive. Okay, preferred cargo freight. So we got money again, and is it enough to... I need 25,000 to do this, but, yeah. So we're gonna make we're gonna make this quarry ours. So let's see, where's our locomotive right now? It's at our hometown, I'm gonna call it, Gilmore. But, let's see how long it takes to get all the way back up there. Get us a bit more money so we can buy a new business here. Get a freight train running through here. Since this area likes to handle gold. And gold is really good for this. Now, I'm gonna do... Let me check real quick. How long have I been running? Let's see. I've been running for about 30 minutes now. Oh, well. So, our locomotive is still not moved. Here we go. So there's a new station here, and I don't have 50,000, so we're gonna have to wait one more run. And this little run here will get us enough money to build a gold mine service. Or an ore train, let me see. Yeah, I can run ore. Then that turns it into gold. So I have to deliver up to there. Okay, so it seems fairly simple. Oh, looks like our revenue's going down the drain, but that's mostly because I keep using it. So it looks like every 5 years or 10 years you get a new engine. So we're on the verge of getting a new engine in like 4 years. So that'll be fun. Okay, come on. Make your rounds and... There we go. We got ourselves a station now. Okay, so we're gonna buy a train. Select that. It's gonna start there. Add some cars. And then it's gonna go here. So clear that out. Wait till full. Close. Let's see. Does anything else make some money here? Demands. Then I'll bring it down to here. Why not? Okay, so... Okay, so then clear that out. And then close, and then... Okay. So we are a bit under now, but now we can haul more freight. And we have a little freight unit going through here. Check out our passenger service here real quick. And as soon as we deliver our first gold, I will... 10,000 cash. Okay. Looks like it's making a ton too. Okay, so let's see. It produces, Okay, so that works. That'll make 50,000 on its run. And with that, I would like to say, I'm going to save this real quick. Let's go with, TJP. Okay, save it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.